What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be working on my E36. I got something that came in the mail today, yesterday really, and I'm gonna be installing it this morning. I know what it is, but I'm gonna be unboxing it with y'all, cause who doesn't like an unboxing, right? So alright, so it's a very light package. It weighs maybe less than this box. I guess you can say weight reduction. It is the door cards to the E36 in the black color, which is pretty cool because I'm trying to go all black in the interior. They don't have the pocket inserts, but that's cool. I'm really happy with the way they look and how light it is, but also sturdy. You know, let's see how they hold up. All right, so let me give you guys a quick comparison of the OEM ones and the aftermarket lightweight ones that I ordered from Hard Motorsports. They're pretty close to OEM. They don't have this handle here, and like I said, they don't have the pocket inserts, but they're pretty cool and they match up pretty well. Another thing is they don't have the hose for the speakers, but I saw on the website that you can easily make the hose if you want to put the speakers. Let me show y'all what my doors currently look like. Yeah, that's what I've been dealing with for a while now. I mean, it doesn't really bother me because I hardly drive this car, but you know, when people get in your car and they see this and they don't know that this is a common E36 thing, they look at you like, bro, how do I even open this door, or how do I even close this door? And I know, can't even tell, but that's the door handle still. It still works. To close it, I just boom, you know. But yeah, it's about that time I'll take care of it. So yeah, let's get into it. The sun is coming out, so I'm trying to beat it. I'm trying to get this done before the sun comes out and it gets hot. All right, so there is no instructions on how to install these, so I don't know what I'm getting into. Okay. All right, so right now what I'm doing is I'm kind of test fitting it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just figuring it out. I should probably look up a video on how to do this, but you know, some people just like to try shit. All right, I'm gonna look up a video on how to do this real quick. All right, so I took a small break to kind of figure out how to install these. Right here, it comes with like these dimples right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a hole for them. So I made the holes bigger. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the rivets on there. All right, I got the hang of this shit, so let's get to it. All right. So I was having a hard time using the gun. It's not that hard to use after I figured it out and watching some videos on YouTube. I was definitely trying too hard, and it's very easy to use. So if you ever use one of these, don't think about it too hard. Just look up a video. It's a real easy and helpful tool for sure. I had to go to Home Depot to get bigger bolts because the ones I had bought were a bit too short. So fitment's all right. Oh yeah, that's solid. Alright, now let's see if they close. Good stuff. They're on. They're pretty sturdy. These door panels come with this harness strap thing to pull on it so you can close the door, since it doesn't have the handle that the OEM one comes with. And I was thinking of putting it somewhere here, drilling some holes, but my boy Alex gave me an idea. These come with a hole already pre-made for these bolts, but I didn't use it, so he told me, he's like, man, why don't you just put it here? And I was like, you know what, that is a good idea. So that's where I put it, and I'm gonna get it tightened up now. See how it works, cause I think it's a dope idea. I don't have to do any extra holes, and I don't know, I like how it looks right there. I didn't want to put it anywhere right there because that would have looked a little tacky. All right, now for the test, will it work? All right, let's see. Let's try it again. All right, maybe I need to slam it a little harder. Alright, it works. It works. It's an old car. You gotta slam the door, but it works. I'm start installing the rivets. So I installed all 4 rivets. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we're gonna do different this time is I'm actually gonna put the strap on first, just to make it easier on myself. All right, that's on there. Good stuff. So now the strap is on. I approve them. I'm not sponsored by Hard, but I do appreciate their work. They did some good stuff with this. It looks pretty clean. It looks OEM as fuck. I like it. I'm pretty happy with this. Like I was telling my boy Alex, I do want to do the rear seat delete, but Hard Motorsports does not offer the rear seat delete for the convertible. So if I'm able to figure something out and maybe use the coupe, I might order it and make it fit on mine. But like I said earlier in the video, people just open your door and they see that and they just think like that shit's ugly as fuck. So we have to take care of that, and this is a good solution. They do got those plain ones on eBay or any other website, but if you want your car to look a little decent, I would suggest you go with these for sure. They look really nice. So that's that for this video. Stay tuned, more car parts. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think about the E36. I know these things are infamous for falling off. Do you still have yours intact? Did you replace them already? Did you get them redone? Did you change the clips? What have you done about yours? Do you have some of these? Let me know. Drop a comment and I'll catch you on the next one.